tayo ngayon. Ibang setup.
Resuming workout.
Nagtanong tayo ng magandang spot para magtakbo. Diretso na lang daw. So, diretso. May sinusunsan sana tayo kaninang gabi. Kaso nawala siya. So, it's on me. Let's go. Yan. Feeling ko tama yung truck natin. May kasalubong tayong runner eh. Grabe talagang aga-aga pa. Pero tingnan niyo po na agad yung bus oh. So yan yung Newport. Hindi tayo taga dito. Kaya balik-balik lang. Baka tayo ay maligaw. So balik na tayo. Grabe, 6 AM pa lang guys. Pero sobrang busy na agad ng street. Okay, Ilandero tayo ng tatakbuhan. Okay, naliligaw tayo sa sarili nating hotel. Where's the ano? Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Dead end to guys. Saan ako pupunta? Hindi naman ganito dun sa pinuntahan namin. So, ayun nga guys, hindi tayo nagkamali. Tayo ay naligaw talaga. Luckily, meron tayong nakausap na security officer. And look at this. It's a mother holding a baby. So, and she was holding a torch of light there. I think it signifies hope for the child. Am I right? This is also 3 people leaning on each other. Somehow, maganda din pala guys yung naliligaw kasi I get to enjoy these pieces. I really love paintings guys, any artwork. I really love it. And nakita ko mag-isa ito na hindi ako makikilang pumunta sa crowd, diba? Naligaw pa more. Naglahatang na torch. So good. Itong alak na to is Zabana, an award-winning rum that is the boldest of Sabana's offerings. Only a few hundred bottles have been crafted by hand from this single barrel of very old rare rum. Taray, magkano kaya to? So I think we're here. We're really here. Nakabalik tayo. Ay, naligaw pa mo.